Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about something that completely changed my life. Discipline. Most people think discipline is boring, structured and painful, but discipline is actually self-love, structure and inner power. I am Priya Pal, author of Awakening of Emotions, The Unfiltered Truth and Emotional Clarity Guide, and today I want to share why being disciplined is important, how it saved me from anxiety and overthinking, and how can you build it in your life. Discipline is not just waking up early or following a routine. Discipline is how you treat your mind, how you treat your body, what you allow in your life, what you say no to, what you choose every day. Discipline is choosing your future self over your present comfort. Why discipline is important? Discipline helps in depression and overthinking. When you are depressed or overthinking, life is chaotic. You don't know what to do, when to sleep, when to eat. Discipline gives structure. Structures give safety to your brain. Even small routines like drinking water, walking, or journaling make you feel I am in control again. Discipline builds self-trust. Every time you break a promise to yourself, your confidence breaks. Every time you keep a promise, your mind starts trusting you. Discipline is how you tell yourself, I can rely on me. Discipline creates growth. Comfort zone feels good, but it kills growth. Discipline pushes you to grow even when you don't feel like it. Let me share my story. There was a point in my life when I felt अब इससे बुरा मैं क्या देख सकती हूँ. I was in anxiety, overthinking, emotional pain. Temptation was very easy for me, partying, distracting myself, escaping emotions. But I chose something different. I chose discipline. I decided to be disciplined with my body, with my thought, with my emotions, with my life. I wrote about this deeply in my book Awakening of Emotions. I'm not promoting my book, I'm telling you the truth. This book can transform how you see life. जिंदगी को जीते कैसे हैं कि आपको पता चलेगा इस बुक में. ये बुक Amazon, Flipkart, Kindle पर अवेलेबल है. इस बुक का लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगी. I used to wake up at 4:30 a.m. for a long time, but now I wake up at 6 a.m. because I understood something. Good sleep is also discipline. Discipline is not punishment. Discipline is balanced structure. When you choose discipline, you choose growth. Comfort zone feels safe, but nothing grows there. Discipline is waking up when you want to sleep. Discipline is writing when you want to scroll. Discipline is walking when you want to lie down. And trust me, you only grow when you come out of comfort zone. Let me share a very simple foundation routine. Morning routine, very basic. Wake up on time, drink 3-4 glass of water, take a good shower, do meditation or prayer, go for walk and take some sunlight. Vitamin D deficiency is very common in India, and sunlight helps your brain release feel-good hormones that improve your mood and energy. This is your basic foundation. In life, no matter what happens, खाना पीना सोना कभी नहीं छूटना चाहिए. और मैंने ये एक मूवी से सीखा है. मूवी का नाम वेटिंग है. When you are disciplined, you send signal to God. I'm ready for success. I'm ready for responsibility. Discipline is spiritual. It shows consciousness, self-respect, and responsibility. Self-discipline should become so normal, like breathing. You don't think about breathing, you just breathe. Discipline is not just about routine, it is about what you feel, whom you allow in your world, what thoughts you entertain, what energy you keep around you. Discipline is emotional boundaries. Discipline is saying no to toxic people. Discipline is choosing peace over drama. There are few common myths about discipline. Myth 1. Discipline is hard. Truth. Discipline becomes easy when it becomes habit. Myth 2. You need motivation. Truth. Discipline creates motivation. Myth 3. Spiritual people don't need discipline. Truth. Spiritual people need discipline the most. How to build a discipline? Start small. Don't change everything in one day. Start with one habit. Fix your sleep and wake up time because your routine starts from your sleep cycle. Remove negotiation with yourself in the morning. Then shift your identity. Tell yourself, I'm a disciplined person, because your brain always follow the identity you believe in. Discipline saved me from chaos, anxiety, emotional confusion. It gave me structure, clarity, and self-respect. Discipline is not about becoming perfect, it's about showing up for yourself every day. If you want to transform your life, start with discipline. No harsh, no toxic, but conscious and loving discipline. If this video helped you, like, share, and comment. And if you want deeper emotional clarity, you can read my book, Awakening of Emotion, The Unfiltered Truth. It will help you understand life and yourself deeply. If you are going through anxiety, overthinking, emotional confusion, or heartbreak, you can book an emotional clarity session with me. In this session, I help you understand your emotions, heal your inner wounds, and break negative patterns, and find clarity in your life and relationships. This session will help you to see the truth of your situation clearly without fear, illusion, or self-doubt, so you can make aligned decisions and move forward with peace. The booking link is in the description. Thanks for watching. Stay disciplined, stay conscious, and stay in emotional clarity. Thank you guys. Bye.